what is a famous Singapore dish? Chicken rice. But they forget rojak also. We have a almost 100-year-old mango tree. The previous owners told us when we moved in, whatever happens, do not cut down the tree because it will always continue to bear fruit. So growing up, we had a lot of fruit from our garden and we made rojak. And that's why it's one of the dishes that reminds me of home. Rojak means mix in Malay, and that's exactly me. I'm Indian Muslim. Like all the different ingredients in rojak, my race and religion are tossed together. Growing up until now, whenever I say I don't take pork, people still get surprised. I remember sharing this rojak with my friends. They'll prepare a pork-free version of a dish that I want to try, and we'll sit together around the table to share the meal. We talk about our cultures, we eat, and we laugh together. And I thought, what better way to honor this memory than a vegan rojak, because your typical rojak sauce contains shrimp paste, and Kelly has a shellfish allergy, but now she'll be able to eat this with us. So hopefully, in the same way this vegan rojak can reach more of you and we all can have a meal together. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you. Bye-bye.